A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a stunning turn of events, South Korean anti-graft investigators have secured a new court-ordered arrest warrant for impeached President Yoon Suk Yeol, whose controversial attempt to impose martial law has plunged the nation into unprecedented turmoil. The former star prosecutor has refused to cooperate with authorities, skipping questioning on 3 separate occasions following his failed December 3rd martial law decree, which has been characterized as a catastrophic misstep that has ignited the worst political crisis in decades. As the investigation escalates, Yoon has been holed up in his residence, heavily guarded by security forces who are reportedly taking extraordinary measures to prevent his detention. The Joint Investigation Headquarters confirmed that the request for a fresh arrest warrant was filed with the Seoul Western District Court, which had previously issued an initial warrant that expired at the end of Monday. The length of the new warrant remains undisclosed, leaving many in South Korea anxious about the potential outcomes of this unprecedented situation. If investigators manage to detain Yoon, he would make history as the first sitting South Korean president to be arrested. However, they face a tight deadline. They have only 48 hours to either request an extension of the arrest warrant or release him. Yoon's legal team has not publicly commented on the new warrant, but his supporters are already mobilizing to rally around him, with reports indicating that they plan to converge on his residence in Seoul. Opposition lawmakers have described Yoon's residence as resembling a fortress, with guards reportedly erecting barriers and barbed wire to thwart any attempts at his arrest. The anti-graft officials have expressed frustration at the challenges they are encountering, including overwhelming security measures that have complicated their investigation efforts. Yoon is currently under investigation on serious charges of insurrection, and should he be formally arrested and subsequently convicted, he could face severe penalties, including imprisonment or even the death penalty. His defense team has consistently maintained that the initial arrest warrant was unlawful, asserting that the Corruption Investigation Office, CIO, lacks the jurisdiction to investigate insurrection, as it is not included in their mandate. The political landscape in South Korea is shifting rapidly, with many experts suggesting that the likelihood of Yoon's arrest is increasing. Conservative politicians are beginning to distance themselves from him, viewing his presidency as a liability rather than an asset. This shift in political support could play a significant role in the unfolding events. Public sentiment appears to be divided, with many citizens rallying in support of Yoon, while others are calling for accountability and justice. Activists and opposition supporters are voicing their hope for Yoon's arrest, with some camping outside his residence to demonstrate their commitment to the cause. The CIO chief, Oh Dong-woon, expressed his disappointment over the failed initial arrest attempt, stating that he was heartbroken by the outcome. He also acknowledged the uncertainty surrounding Yoon's current whereabouts, noting that there are various possibilities regarding whether he remains inside his residence or has fled. The situation has drawn comparisons to previous presidential impeachments in South Korea, notably those of Roh Moo-hyun and Park Geun-hye, neither of whom attended their impeachment trials. The Constitutional Court has scheduled Yoon's impeachment trial to commence on January 14th, which will proceed in his absence if he does not appear. Local media speculate that he may attend, but his legal team has indicated that his appearance remains uncertain. With the court having a maximum of 180 days from December 14th to decide Yoon's fate, the nation watches closely as this political drama unfolds. Regardless of the outcome, South Korea is navigating uncharted waters, faced with the prospect of either arresting a sitting president or witnessing him evade justice. The implications of this case will undoubtedly resonate throughout the nation for years to come, shaping the future of South Korean politics and governance. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.